Here's our room, guys. 310. Tap our card on there to get in. We absolutely love this room. The decor in this room is so modern, it's beautiful. The bathroom is probably my favorite part of the room, but we're gonna start right here by the door. You stick your key in there for electricity. Here is your wardrobe. I like how the lights come on when you open it. You've got an iron and plenty of room up there. Got some coat hangers, ironing board, robes, because there is a pool at this hotel, an outdoor pool, and a spa. We got a bit of storage up here. We have a safe, but the cool thing about this safe is there is a plug and USBs in it, so you can charge your stuff while you're out, which I thought was pretty neat. You got your coffee machine and all your essentials just there. Some more coffee stuff, some wine glasses. I think there's a cookie and some biscuits back there as well. And then the fridge. I haven't opened this yet. Can I get in? There we go. I assume if you eat any of this or drink any of this, then you'll get charged to your room. I haven't asked about that, but that is what I assume. Moving on, we got some plugs right next to the TV here. Huge TV. You can move it. You can swivel it. So no matter where you're sitting or laying in bed, you'll be able to see the TV. A nice little desk area. I assume you move one of these chairs to sit there. The aircon is just here. Very nice and easy to use. A bin under there. Nice lamp in the corner. Cool little picture. And then you've got a massive mirror. It's got to be at least 6, 7, 8 foot tall. So if you move that chair, you can see your outfit for the evening. Moving on, we'll look at the view in a minute. There isn't much of a view. The bed. Look at this decor. It's beautiful. Bit of paneling either side of the bed. We'll start this side. Each side has its own bedside like table. You got a phone this side. You got a plug. You got your light switches. You've even got this cool little thing. As soon as you take it away from the wall, this little button here turns it on and off. As soon as you turn it back, switches off. So I thought that was pretty cool. The bed is massive. I'm pretty sure that is either king or super king. And we'll do a bed test at the end. Again, the same over here. Got your TV remote this side, but no phone. Plug socket, switches, reading light, and another light on the wall. Beautiful. So much room in this room. Just tripped up the bags. Our bags are just there. Light switches for the bathroom. We'll go in there in a sec. But there's so much floor space here. It's a lovely room. Moving on to my favourite part of the room. You've got a slidey door. You have your massive walk-in shower. Look at the decor. I love that like hole in the wall. That's what we want in our house. You've got a waterfall shower head and a normal shower head. You've got some products there. Shampoo, conditioner, and gel. Here's your controls. It's just massive. A little step up. Glass is like tinted. Your toilet is here. A little window. You have a towel rail. And weirdly, you have a phone. I have no idea why, but you've got controls for the towel rail. Beautiful room, beautiful bath, beautiful shower. Sorry, toilet and shower. If I spin you around, you've got his and her sink. You've got their towels. That is the hotel we're staying at. All branded up. Love the taps. Matte black is the look they've gone for. Mirror each. Got LEDs behind it as well as spotlights and this light on the wall. A couple of cups. What you got here? Shower caps, dental kits. Just loads of room. A little bin down there. A couple of hooks for your towels. And you do have a mirror and a couple of plugs. I think this mirror lights up as well. Lovely. And that is the bathroom. One last thing. Oh no, before the bed test, sorry. Let's have a look at our view. There isn't one, so I'm not going to dwell on it too much. This is what we can see from our room. Other people's rooms. Straight through the middle. Shut them for now. I'm going to flip you around and do a bed test. Ready for the bed test? 3, 2, 1. Oh! This is what I needed after today. I've done about 21,000 steps. And this bed is ledge. So that is the room, guys. We paid 270 euros for the room for one night, plus breakfast in the morning for both of us. Beautiful room, perfect location in terms of where it is in Barcelona. If you did like this video, this room tour, then please drop a like. If you have any questions about the room, then please drop a comment below. But for now, we'll see you in our next